Habekran makinong to kubor ubak Sniawbhalang dhar ulong bagaseng gadang tristom banyo Ialam himarwe ke executive committee. Barkum ta ki kwa beki kertong kaseng genjob bongut banyo Ialam hi ke executive committee. Nrela lagi dunapat kilong ki bakloy bane trailang bat ki weipat ki sengsan berthai. Ulong bagaseng NPP kelapin kreak bahan nak bentak election MDC Hakasi Hills bat Janta Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat kumba prapo nak sispa nak tup kerteng jongki kertong ladak ban penbed bat kumta haswa ke jengrakhe ke Christmas ne hakatayo benengkong jong ke senam banwan ans pen benapat ba no ke kerteng jongki kertong ke bedangsa uba Sniawbhalang dhar ule tho ru ba ke jengjit ki kertong kadai ke ble selok bagi dong Ialam ki bedan ki snong ki thau gaduk ke bedang samla haduk ke belarang ba ya ki balayat ling bagi unit ki block district bat khado e sha ke jela bergawai Hagabedai bagi jingweng Jingkyrshan no keseng kongres nak executive committee ke Ialam nak NPP KHADC. Ubak Sniawbhalang dhar ulong bakani ke jingweng Jingkyrshan nak kelamar ke bakado kadai tang ke jingle butsan perthai.
For both the council election, we as a party NPP we are ready and we are full prepared. Yes, of course there is some constituency condition not yet finalized, but because so many applicant others, it take time. First phase already released, and maybe second phase maybe before Christmas or maybe before New Year. So, but we are prepared for the election. Also now it seems the wave and the situation day by day changes. It seems there is no doubt we will be able to form DC on our own. And suppose if we are short in number, and we welcome all the other parties to join us. Simple as that. I didn't see any performance done by NPP till today. Only NPP will perform everywhere, everything the state government. But no problem. There is their own agenda is any party can claim. But you know me, from the record, I always said whatever I predict is always right. So we are trying our best to form on our own. Not at all. Not at all. Our people of the state now they understand. They understand very well.
Any people
And you mean in the sense why they understand, because during the present government lots of development has been done by the NPP led government in MDA too, and people knows that. You see for example like the last election in Garo Hill, and MDC no doubt will be able to form the EC.